Welcome, dear students. Are you asking questions? Yes, I knew that. You're asking lots of questions to your parents and teachers. Small children's likewise you asking lots of questions because they eager to know about that thing. Or whenever I was small, I also asked lots of questions to my mother. Why this has happened? I'm so curious about various things which are happening, like why Chanda Mama not falling down, how the rainbow appears, why I can't fly like fairies. I'm so curious about these things. Now, here curious means desire to know about something. Now, in our next chapter, that is curiosity, chapter number 17, curiosity, we'll learn what a small girl having lots of questions in her mind. Let's see what are they. Chapter number 17, curiosity. Let's begin our chapter by reading. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please everything. Tell me, I want to know. What makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? Now we will see our poem by lines. Tell me everything. What makes it winter? A poet is a small girl and she is eager to know about various things. She says that tell me everything means which questions are in my mind, why this has happened. You have to tell the answers of that questions. Now first question is what makes it winter? The poet is wanted to know about what makes the winter. We are grown-ups can understand that winter is caused by the axis of earth in the hemisphere is away from the sun. When winter is in north hemisphere, summer season in southern hemisphere. But small children could not understand it. So she said that what makes it winter? Then we can't say that how the winter makes. And then spring. Spring season is between winter and summer season and temperature is very moderate and flowers started to blooming. The trees are looking pleasant. The poet sees the differences in winter season and spring season. So she is curious about who makes these seasons and she is asking who makes the winter and then spring. Which are the children butterflies? The next poet curiosity is about butterflies. Poet is asking that which are the children of butterflies? Butterflies went through various stages. And which is the young ones of butterfly? Because animals having the young ones like dog having puppy, goat, kid. But butterfly having so many stages like eggs, caterpillar, pupa, and then butterfly. So the poet is eager to know about which is the young ones of butterfly. Why do people keep winking their eyes? Why do people winking their eyes? They are winking their eyes for so many reasons. Like people's winking their eyes for showing affection and love, or to spark laugh, sometimes share inside secret to other peoples. Sometimes maybe peoples are habituated. So people's winking their eyes. We can't say the particular reason for that. According to the time and situation, people's winking their eyes. But poet wants the reason why the people's winking their eyes. So we can't say why the peoples are winking their eyes. Where do birds sleep? The next question of poet is where do birds sleep? We are active during the day and take sleep at night in our home. But poet is asking that where these birds sleep, each and every bird sleeping different way. like egret and flamingo sleep standing in water, duck and geese floating on water. Some birds are sleeping high on tree, some birds sleeping in their nest. But some birds can't sleep at night like owl. So we can't say where do birds sleep. Means there is no particular place where birds are sleeping. Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please everything. Here poet is asking next question, that do bees like sting? Only female worker bees are having sting. Male bees don't have sting. Honeybees don't sting anyone because honeybees are guard their hive. If they think that you are threat, you may be dangerous from them, so they can attack and try to sting you. Otherwise bees don't sting. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Each and every plant having their own shape and size. Each plant have particular leaves and flowers pattern. Here poet is wanted to know what makes leaves grow, and in shape, whatever their shape, how they are grow in a particular shape. Next, why do goldfish keep chewing? Goldfishes are in tank. Whenever the tank size is small or water is stagnant, temperature level is not proper, then goldfishes keep continuous chewing because they are required oxygen. There is a lack of oxygen, so they continuously chewing. And rabbit wobble their noses just from habits. Then poet is asking that why the rabbit is wobble their noses. Here wobble means twitching their nose for better smell. It helps them to avoid danger, so they are twitching their noses. Next poet is wanted to know that where does the wind is all around us, but from where wind comes and where wind goes we don't know. Wind flow is depend upon the pressure, air pressure. The air flows from high pressure to low pressure, so we don't know that how the wind flows or from where the wind comes and where it goes away. Wind flows according to the air pressure, and also rotation of the earth causes the wind. So we don't say that from where the wind comes and where wind goes away. Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? The poet is asked that tell me the answers of my questions, or even grown-up people also don't know the answers. Here in this way we learn this poem, Curiosity, a small girl asking lots of questions where she wanted to know about the answer. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number first. List any 5 questions that the child in the poem has. Answer. The child in the poem has following questions. First, what makes it winter and then spring? Second, which are the children butterflies? Number 3, why do people keep winking their eyes? Number 4, where do birds sleep? Number 5, why do goldfish keep chewing? Number 6, why do rabbits wobble their noses? Question number 2, list any 3 other questions about birds, animals or natural things that you have. Answer. Following are the questions about birds, animal or natural things. They are: first, how the plants grow, why the sky is blue, how the birds can fly in the sky. Question number 3, where can you find the answers to your questions? Write any 2 sources. Answer. I ask my questions to my mother and my teacher. Number 2, read the books to find the answers. Number 3, search on internet. In this way, we are complete our chapter. Thank you.